you closer tonight. Yeah. The stars are dancing in the sky, reflections shining in your eyes. Every moment feels so right, standing with you here tonight. The rhythm flows through every beat, while our hearts move in harmony. Every touch feels warm and true, like a dream that's coming true. When you're near me, the world slows down. Every worry disappears when you're around. Come close to my heart, never drift too far. You're the brightest light I see, my sweetest melody. Come close to my heart, right where you belong. Together we'll create a love that stays forever strong. Deep reggae bassline fills the air, love and laughter everywhere. The ocean breeze begins to sway as we dance the night away. Every smile upon your face brings my soul a sense of grace. You're the answer to my prayer, a love beyond compare. When you're near me, the world slows down. Every worry disappears when you're around. Come close to my heart, never drift too far. You're the brightest light I see, my sweetest melody. Come close to my heart, right where you belong. Together we'll create a love that stays forever strong. No riches in this world could buy the happiness you bring to life. Every sunrise, every night, you make my future bright. Let's sail across the endless sea, building our own destiny. Hand in hand we'll always be, living in harmony. We link them again, feel the love within, good vibes all around. To the island sound, raise your hands up high, let your spirit fly. From the beach to the town, love is going around. Come close to my heart, never drift too far. You're the brightest light I see, my sweetest melody. Come close to my heart, right where you belong. Together we'll create a love that stays forever strong. Moonlight on the sea, you're everything to me. One heart endlessly, forever you and me. Yeah. Ooh, baby, the night is young and the vibes are right. Stay with me. The moon is shining on the sea, casting light on you and me. Island breeze is moving slow, and I don't want this night to go. Every smile upon your face makes the world a better place. As the rhythm softly plays, I wish this moment could stay. Time keeps moving away too fast, but I want this feeling to last. Hold me close and don't let go, let our love continue to grow. Stay till sunrise, dance with me beneath the skies. Let the music guide our hearts, together we'll never part. Stay till sunrise, see the love within my eyes. Every moment feels brand new whenever I'm with you. Whenever I'm with you. The bassline grows so deep and sweet while we move to the island beat. Every touch feels so divine, like a blessing sent in time. Stars above us shining ocean sings a melody of perfect harmony. Every dream feels close and near whenever I have you here. Let's write a story of our own, a love that's fully grown.
Pull up the rhythm one more time. Love is flowing through the night. Everybody catch the vibe. Raise your hands up to the sky. Put energy everywhere. Sweet romance is in the air.
From the islands to the sea, celebrate love and unity. Stay till sunrise. Dance with me beneath the skies. Let the music guide our hearts. Together we'll never part. Stay till sunrise. See the love within my eyes. Every moment feels brand new whenever I'm with you. Morning light begins to show. Still I don't want you to go. One more dance, one more smile. Stay with me a little while. Stay with me a little while. Yeah. Sweet island love. This one is for the hearts that stay true through every season. Yeah. When the morning sun begins to rise, I see the future in your eyes. Every dream feels close at hand whenever you're beside me. Life can change like ocean waves, but our love remains the same. Through every high and every low, together we continue to grow. Whenever you need someone to help you carry on, I'll be standing strong right where I belong. I'll be always by your side through every changing tide, holding you close tonight. Everything feels right. I'll be always by your side, your shelter and your guide, with a love so pure and true. My heart belongs to you. Deep bassline moving through the night, moonlight shining soft and bright. As we dance beneath the stars, love carries us so far. Every laugh and every smile makes the journey worth the while. The bond we share keeps growing strong, like a sweet romantic song. Whenever you need someone to help you carry on, I'll be standing strong right where I belong. I'll be always by your side through every changing tide, holding you close tonight. Everything feels right. I'll be always by your side, your shelter and your guide, with a love so pure and true. My heart belongs to you. No matter what tomorrow brings, we'll face it hand in hand, building memories every day. Together we'll always stand. The ocean breeze whispers your name, the stars above do the same. Every heartbeat keeps reminding me you're my sweetest melody. Turn up the rhythm, let it play. Celebrate true love today. From the islands to the sea, spread love and unity. Good vibes flowing everywhere, positive energy in the air. One heart, one destiny, living in harmony. I'll be always by your side through every changing tide, holding you close tonight. Everything feels right. I'll be always by your side, your shelter and your guide, with a love so pure and true. My heart belongs to you. Island breeze, island breeze. tonight. This one is about second chances and holding on to true love. Late night thoughts running through my mind, thinking of the love that's hard to find. Sometimes we stumble along the way, but real hearts find a reason to stay. I remember every smile you gave, every moment that our memories made. Now I'm standing here sincere, hoping you'll always keep me near. No perfect road for you and me, but love can write a better story. If we keep our hearts aligned, we'll leave the past behind. Promise me tomorrow we'll rise above the sorrow. Hold my hand and stay a while. Let's bring back that beautiful smile. Promise me tomorrow we'll build a brighter road. Together we'll keep moving on with a love that's strong. The reggae bassline fills the air, moonlight dancing everywhere as we sway beneath the stars, healing all our little scars. Every word comes from my soul. You make my broken spirit whole. No matter where the journey leads, you're the one my heart still needs. No perfect road for you and me, but love can write a better story. If we keep our hearts aligned, we'll leave the past behind. Promise me tomorrow we'll rise above the sorrow. Hold my hand and stay a while. Let's bring back that beautiful smile. Promise me tomorrow we'll build a brighter road. Together we'll keep moving on with a love that's strong. Trust is like a growing tree, strong roots bring stability. Day by day we'll make it grow with honesty that always shows. Ocean waves upon the shore make me love you even more. Every heartbeat, every prayer reminds me that you're always there. We love the rhythm once again. Love is stronger than the pain. Positive vibes fill the night. Everything gon' be alright. From the islands to the world, let the loving flag unfurl. One heart, one destiny, living in harmony. Promise me tomorrow we'll rise above the sorrow. Hold my hand and stay a while. Let's bring back that beautiful smile. Promise me tomorrow we'll build a brighter road. Together we'll keep moving on with a love that's strong. Moonlight shining on the sea. Your love means everything to me. One heart, one destiny, forever in harmony. Yeah. Ooh, girl, you shine brighter than the morning sun. This one is dedicated to you. Walking with a smile so bright, lighting up the darkest night. Confidence in every move, a natural beauty shining through. Kindness flowing from your soul, making every broken piece feel whole. Everywhere you go, you bring the joy that makes my spirit sing. You carry grace up naturally, a vision of serenity. Every dream I hold inside feels complete with you by my side. You're the queen of my heart, from the very start. A shining light, a work of art, we'll never drift apart. Hey, you're the queen of my heart, the sweetest melody. Your love has become the rhythm that moves through all of me. Hey, island breeze and moonlit skies reflected softly in your eyes. As we dance beneath the stars, I forget where troubles are. the bassline rolling deep and low, while our love continues to grow. Every heartbeat speaks your name, forever burning like a flame. You carry grace so naturally, a vision of serenity. Every dream I hold inside feels complete with you by my side. You're the queen of my heart, oh, from the very start. A shining light, a work of art, we'll never drift apart. You're the queen of my heart, the sweetest melody. Your love has become the rhythm that moves through all of me. Your crown made of silver or gold could match the beauty that you hold. Your strength and love inspire me to become the best I can be. Every season, every year, my appreciation grows sincere. Hand in hand we'll face the tide with endless love as I guide. Pull up the rhythm, let it play. Celebrate true love today. From the islands to the world, let your loving flag unfurl. Positive vibes fill the air, spread love everywhere. One heart beating strong tonight, everything feels right. You're the queen of my heart, oh, from the very start. A shining light, a work of art, we'll never drift apart. You're the queen of my heart, the sweetest melody. Your love has become the rhythm that moves through all of me. Caribbean breeze, moonlight glow. My love for you will always grow. Queen of my heart, you will always be forever my destiny. Yeah, yeah. Sometimes love gets tested, but true hearts keep shining. Caribbean vibes forever. Woke up with the rain outside, heavy clouds across the sky. But your voice up on the phone reminds me I'm not alone. Life can bring its ups and downs, turn a smile into a frown. Still your love keeps holding strong, giving me the strength to carry on. When the pressure tries to break me, your affection always saves me. Like sunshine after stormy weather, we keep moving on together. Tomorrow brings a brighter day, we leave all our worries far away. With your hand inside mine, everything will be alright. Dance with me beneath the moon, feel the sweet Caribbean tune. Love will guide us through the night, everything will be alright. Deep bassline shaking through the air, island breeze flowing everywhere. We sway slowly side by side, with our hearts open wide. Every challenge that we face only makes our bond embrace the beauty of a love so true. Every dream begins with you. When the pressure tries to break me, your affection always saves me. Like sunshine after stormy weather, we keep moving on together. Tomorrow brings a brighter day, we leave all our worries far away. With your hand inside mine, everything will be alright. Dance with me beneath the moon, feel the sweet Caribbean tune. Love will guide us through the night, everything will be alright. No matter what the people say, our love will never fade away. Built upon respect and trust, a foundation strong enough. The stars above are shining bright, reflecting in your eyes tonight. Every heartbeat feels brand new when I'm sharing light with you.
We'll up the rhythm one more time. Positive vibes, loving our mind. Everybody sing along tonight. Spread good energy and light.
Feel the groove, embrace the sound. Let true love keep spinning around. From the islands to the world, let your loving flag unfurl. Tomorrow brings a brighter day, we leave all our worries far away. With your hand inside mine, everything will be alright. Dance with me beneath the Yeah, under the Caribbean moonlight tonight, everything feels so right. Dance with me, my darling. One love, one love, one vibe. When the sunset paints the ocean gold and the evening breeze begins to flow, you take my hand and pull me close. Girl, your love is all I know. Every smile you give to me lights up every part of my soul. Like reggae playing through the night, you make my broken spirit whole. No matter where the road may lead, you're the treasure that I seek. Through the storms and through the rain, your sweet love remains. Baby, wine with me beneath the stars. Hold me close in your loving arms. Together we'll sail across the sea. Your heart belongs with me. Dance slow to the island sound. Feel the sweet vibration all around. Tonight our love is wild and free. Forever, you and me. The bassline rolling deep and low, while the moonlight softly glows. Every rhythm tells our story, a tale that only true love knows. From Kingston streets to sandy shores, our passion keeps growing strong. Every heartbeat sings your name like a never-ending song. No matter what tomorrow brings, you're the melody I sing. Through the highs and through the lows, our love forever grows. Baby, wine with me beneath the stars. Hold me close in your loving arms. Together we'll sail across the sea. Your heart belongs with me. Dance slow to the island song. Feel the sweet vibration all around. Tonight our love is wild and free. Forever, you and me. Girl, you're my sunshine after rain, my comfort through every pain. The sweetest blessing from above, wrapped inside a perfect love. Let the rhythm carry us away. We'll make memories today. Every moment, every kiss, pure island bliss. Baby, wine with me beneath the stars. Hold me close in your loving arms. Together we'll sail across the sea. Your heart belongs with me. Dance slow to the island sound. Feel this sweet vibration all around. Tonight our love is wild and free. Forever, you and me. Oh no, moonlight shining on the sea. Your sweet love surrounding me. Oh, one heart, one destiny. Forever in harmony. Oh yeah. Sweet island breeze, love in the air tonight. One heart, one vibe. The morning sun shines through the window, and your smile lights up my day. Every moment spent beside you makes my troubles drift away. Like the waves upon the shoreline, your affection reaches me, bringing peace into my spirit. Like a calm and gentle sea, every little thing you do makes my dreams come true. Your love lifts me higher, sets my soul on fire. Loving you feels right. bassline moving slowly as we dance beneath the moon. Sweet melodies are floating softly like a perfect island tune. Every laugh and every whisper, every touch and every kiss shows me what true happiness is. Wrapped inside this bliss, every little thing you do makes my dreams come true. Your love lifts me higher, sets my soul on fire. Loving you feels right every day and every night. Underneath the stars above, I'm surrounded by your love. Loving you feels right, holding you so warm and tight. Through the sunshine and the rain, I love you again and again. From Kingston streets to ocean shores, my heart keeps calling out for more. Not because I need another, but because you're my forever lover. The future shines so bright with every loving word you say. Side by side we'll always stand, walking hand in hand.
Turn up the rhythm, let it play. Celebrate this love today. Everybody feel the groove, let your loving spirit move. Good vibes flowing all around, sweetest feeling ever found. One love rising to the sky. Lift your hearts and fly. Loving you feels right every day and every night. Underneath the stars above, I'm surrounded by your love. Loving you feels right, holding you so warm and tight. Through the sunshine and the rain, I love you again and again.
Island breeze, moonlit sky, you and me forever. Sweet romance and harmony, that's our destiny. Yeah. Ooh, girl, from the moment you walked into my life, everything changed. Sweet Caribbean love. Morning sunshine on your face brings a smile I can't replace. Like the ocean touching shore, makes me love you even more. Every little thing you do feels so natural and true. When you're near, my worries fade. In your arms my heart is safe. Girl, you lift me when I'm down, turn my world completely around. Every day feels brand new when I'm standing next to you. You're my island angel, my blessing from above. You fill my life with happiness, you surround me with your love. My island angel, forever by my side. Through every season of our lives, we'll enjoy the ride. Bassline rolling through the night, moonlight shining soft and bright. As we dance beneath the stars, I forget where troubles are. Every heartbeat tells me so. You're the one I'll never let go. From the city to the sea, you're the only one for me. Girl, you lift me when I'm down, turn my world completely around. Every day feels brand new when I'm standing next to you. You're my island angel, my blessing from above. You fill my life with happiness, you surround me with your love. My island angel, forever by my side. Through every season of our lives, we'll enjoy the ride.
No gold or silver could compare to the precious love we share. Every laugh and every kiss creates a lifetime full of bliss. Together we'll keep moving on, our connection remains strong. Hand in hand through every tide, with your love as my guide. We'll come again, sweet love in the air tonight. Everybody feeling irate, love and unity worldwide. Raise your hands and celebrate, true love never comes too late.
from above. You fill my life with happiness. You surround me with your love. My island angel, forever by my side. Through every season of our lives, we'll enjoy the ride. Sweet Caribbean breeze, love flowing through the trees. One heart, one destiny, forever you and me.
Yeah, yeah. Caribbean moonlight, shining bright. This one is for the one who changed my life. One love. From the very first time that we met, a memory I could never forget. Your smile lit up the darkest room, like sunshine breaking through the gloom. Every word you softly say makes my troubles drift away. Your love feels like a gentle sea, flowing endlessly through me. When the world gets cold at night, you become my guiding light. Every dream feels close and real, because of the way you make me feel. You're one in a million, a treasure so rare, nobody else could ever compare. You're one in a million, my heart's sweetest song. If you by my side is where I belong. Hey, dance with me under the stars tonight. Hold me close till morning light. Together forever, we'll be just you and me. The bassline moves beneath our feet, island rhythm smooth and sweet as we sway beneath the sky. Time itself keeps passing by, every heartbeat calls your name, burning like a steady flame. No distance could pull us apart. You're forever in my heart. When the world gets cold at night, you become my guiding light. Every dream feels close and real, because of the way you make me feel. You're one in a million, a treasure so rare, nobody else could ever compare. You're one in a million, my heart's sweetest song. With you by my side is where I belong. Dance with me under the stars tonight. Hold me close till morning light. Together forever, we'll be just you and me. Ocean breeze and candlelight, everything feels so right. Every kiss and every touch shows me why I love you so much. Years may come and years may go, still our love will continue to grow. Built on trust and honesty, a beautiful destiny. Pull up the rhythm, let it play. Celebrate true love today. From Kingston town to every shore, spread good vibes forevermore. Hands in the air, feel the groove. Let your loving spirit move. One heart beating strong and free, hey, living in harmony. One in a million, a treasure so rare, nobody else could ever compare. You're one in a million, my heart's sweetest song. With you